Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Even in the evening, I really like to feel supported underneath my pajamas, and especially if I'm having a lazy day at home, I love wearing loungewear bras. These beautiful, gorgeous bras from Livona provide me a lot of support without having to wear an uncomfortable underwire bra. The bras are really soft. They have a nylon spandex material, and this is a ribbed feature, which makes them really pretty. In addition, I love the lace detailing on the back and that the straps are fully adjustable. They do have pads in the front that can be removed if you really get sick of them, but those provide an extra layer of support and protection underneath clothing. I wouldn't say that you could go jogging in these bras by any means. However, they do provide a lot of support while you have them on. The detailing on the band underneath the bust area stays in place really well, and they provide good side protection as well. Whether you're wearing these underneath a sweater, camisole, or underneath your pajamas, you'll really feel that they give you an extra layer of support without having to wear a full bra. If you're looking for some extra support that makes you feel really pretty and feminine, these bras are perfect. They're really a step above the plain loungewear bras that you might find. I love the detailing, love these color sets, and that is my point of view.